Can you believe it? We're down to the final month of the year. It's like we blinked in January and woke up in December with pumpkin spice lattes and holiday chaos everywhere. But don't panic, I've got you covered. Stick around because today we're talking about 10 practical things you should definitely check off your list before the clock strikes midnight on December 31st. And trust me, number 9 might just set you up for a game-changing 2025. Let's make the end of this year count, and I promise it'll be way more fun than New Year's resolutions. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travel meets financial freedom. This is your one-stop channel for budget-friendly adventures, travel hacks, and smart money moves to build the life you deserve. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's look back before moving forward. Remember those goals you set back in January? Pull them out, whether they're in a planner, your notes app, or just floating in your head. Ask yourself, what did I achieve? Celebrate the wins, no matter how small, whether it was saving $500 for your travel fund or finally taking that solo trip. What needs work? Be kind to yourself. Unmet goals aren't failures, they're lessons. Tools to try: Notion or Google Keep to organize your review. Trello to sort goals into done, in progress, or push to 2025. The key? Be honest and use this review to set realistic intentions for the month ahead. Now that you've reviewed your goals, it's time to act. Choose 2 to 3 tasks to tackle this month. Maybe it's saving an extra $200, organizing your 2025 travel fund, or launching that side hustle you've been thinking about. Break it down into bite-sized steps like setting a weekly savings target or dedicating 30 minutes a day to planning. The trick? Keep it realistic but ambitious. You're building momentum, not piling on stress. Tool suggestion: Google Tasks. It integrates with your calendar and keeps you on track day by day. Remember, the goal here isn't perfection, it's progress. Next, let's tackle the chaos. Let's face it, your phone's overflowing with screenshots of boarding passes, travel memes, and pictures of your dog in sunglasses. Your inbox? A Black Friday graveyard of promo emails. And don't even mention that suitcase you haven't fully unpacked. A clear space equals a clear mind. Phone: delete those endless screenshots and old travel apps. Inbox: unsubscribe from spam and sort important emails into folders. Travel photos: back them up and create albums for easy reminiscing. Gear: refresh your travel essentials so you're ready for your next adventure. Tools to use: Google Photos for easy photo backups. Clean email to tidy up your inbox. Start the new year organized and ready to focus on what matters. Before the year wraps up, it's time to check your financial pulse. Savings check. Did you hit your savings goals? Or is there room to stash a little more this month? Earning power. Could you pick up a quick side hustle, sell unused stuff, or monetize a hobby before December 31st? Subscription audit. Cancel anything you're not using. Yes, even that random streaming service you forgot about. Holiday budget. Plan now to avoid overspending. Track gifts, travel, and festive splurges. Tools to simplify. Mint for tracking your budget. Rakuten for cashback on holiday shopping. Your finances fuel your freedom. Take control now to set the stage for 2025. Save money and spread some joy. For U.S. viewers, consider charitable donations. Give to causes you care about, and you might score a tax deduction. Retirement contributions. Add to that IRA and invest in your future self. If your employer matches your 401k contributions, max out to the limit. Do the same for your health savings account, HSA. Freelancer or content creator write-offs. Deduct those business expenses. Yes, even that overpriced latte you bought to focus. Quick note, I'm not a tax pro. Always consult with a tax professional for personalized advice. And on the giving side, support causes you care about, especially those tied to education, travel, or sustainability. It's a win-win. Empowering your journey isn't just about where you go. It's about the positive change you leave behind. If you agree, give a thumb up to this video. Dream big. Plan your 2025 travel goals now. Start by picking your next destination. Bonus points for underrated, affordable spots. Whether it's a week in paradise or a quick weekend escape, start your research now. Need inspiration? My budget-friendly travel playlist has you covered, setting a budget for how many trips you want to take and what you'll need. Use this month to scout off-peak deals and start building a travel fund for the new year. And don't forget, your travel gear and health matter. Time for an upgrade. If your suitcase is wobbling on its last wheel, or your travel pillow feels like a brick, this is the perfect time to revamp. Grab a lightweight carry-on, an ergonomic travel pillow, or that sleek backpack you've been eyeing. Shop smart. December sales are a goldmine for quality gear at a discount. Prep for healthier travel. Stock up on must-have meds for your travel kit, invest in compression socks for those long-haul flights, and book any doctor's appointments you've been avoiding. Pro tip: use Skyscanner or Google Flights to track ticket prices. Upgrade your gear during December sales. Empower your journey by planning smart, so 2025 is packed with unforgettable adventures. Do you know that the holidays are perfect for experimenting with passive income ideas as people are in a shopping mode? Try something simple, like selling a digital product or joining an affiliate program. Start small. List a spare room on Airbnb, or write an ebook about your passion or hobbies. You could even turn your next vacation into a profitable experience. Already started? Double down and refine what's working. People are looking for fresh ideas right now, so why wait? Tools to try. Canva for creating printables or ebooks. Gumroad to sell your digital products easily. Small steps now can lead to big rewards in 2025. Next, take some time, maybe an hour or a few, to reflect on your wins, big or small. Maybe you survived a tough month, started finally your side hustle, or just managed to save $20 on groceries last week. Gratitude isn't just a feel-good exercise. It sets the tone for a positive year ahead. Here's a pro tip. Consider keeping a gratitude journal to jot down moments of joy, progress, and insight throughout the month. This will help you look back on your journey with appreciation and clarity. Celebrate how far you've come. You've earned it. Could be a nice dinner, a trip, or just a personalized gift to yourself. It's a crucial part of your empowerment journey. Number 9, visualize your dream year. Whether it's travel goals, financial milestones, or lifestyle changes, a vision board is one of the best ways to turn your goals into reality. Why a vision board, you ask? Because seeing your dreams every day keeps you focused and motivated. It's a reminder of why you're hustling and what you're working towards. Use Pinterest or old magazines to create a physical or digital board. Make sure to hang it somewhere you'll see often. It's your daily reminder that you're in control of your journey and empowered to make those dreams come true. Dream it, see it, achieve it. Last but not least, prioritize relationships. The end of the year is a great time to reach out to old friends, spend quality time with family, strengthen your support network. Building strong connections boosts your emotional health and provides the foundation for a fulfilling 2025. And that's your December checklist. Remember, the goal isn't to stress out. It's to focus on what really matters and finish the year strong. Which one are you committing to this month? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips to make 2025 your best year yet. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.